Introduce highlight features or overview about Ciascy 4K backup camera, 4-channel, dash cam with 10.36-inch quad split touchscreen and 4A HD front rear sides view camera, with DVR recording. Music video playback, avoid blind for RV, semi-trailer, truck, and van. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview are include: auto power on with your vehicle ignition and easy to install, power supplied by your car directly. Default boot recording, no missing seconds. Advanced safety design without risk of battery explosion and with much longer life, smart segmented storage, seamless loop recording, never full disk. Wired camera system without any signal problem. One power cord supports the whole system. The camera only needs to connect the extension cable from the monitor. 4-split ISP HD touchscreen monitor and built-in DVR recording function, wide 10.36-inch screen. Backup camera system supports quad view display, a total of 4 video inputs from the front and rear cameras and 2 side view cameras can be displayed on the screen. 4-split screen, 4 channels, 4 different angles help us to get a 360 degrees view to make driving safer. Advanced DVR function, support to local playback and looping record, you can find the video easily in the monitor. It supports 128 gigabit card at max. 4-channel waterproof cameras and super night vision and wide view angle, high definition glass light transmitting camera, transparent imaging, high definition. Detailed performance beyond your imagination, clearer forensics in low light. Excellent water resistance, safe to use in sunny or rainy days. Sharp clear night vision and 170 degrees wide viewing angle allows us capture the clear image quality on any condition, help us to observe everything surrounding us, avoid the blind spot and safer driving. Flexible vehicle compatibility, voltage range from 9 to 36 volt DC power to accommodate a wide variety of vehicle as RV, truck, trailer, class A, box truck, semi-truck, travel trailer, horse trailer, bus, school bus, heavy-duty camper, tractor, the fifth wheel, motor homes, and more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.